Ministry of Development, SMEs and Cooperatives. Mr. Dimash Aryan, Deputy High Commissioner of the High Commission of India to Mauritius. Mr. Sunil Singh, Representative of the Academy of Design and Innovation. Mr. Nicholas Sheth, Director General of the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIT, India. Professor Dr. Sudha Vibra, Dean of Academics of the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIT, India. Mrs. Amita Devi Pogba, Deputy Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Industrial Development, SMEs and Cooperatives, and board member of the Academy of Design and Innovation. Mrs. Dulanti Hankal, board member of the Academy of Design and Innovation. Professor Dr. Sanjeev Lal, Head International and Domestic Linkages of the National Institute of Fashion Technology. Representatives from the Ministry of Industrial Development, SMEs and Cooperatives. Representatives from the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIT, India. Staff members of the Academy of Design and Innovation, members of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of the Academy of Design and Innovation, I welcome you all to the signing ceremony of the Memorandum of Agreement between the Academy of Design and Innovation and the National Institute of Fashion Technology in India. To begin with the program of the day, I kindly invite the Director of the Academy of Design and Innovation, Dr. Sabrina Rana, for address.
Honorable Ms. Nabila Hamid, Minister of Industrial Development, SMEs and Cooperatives. Mr. Mohammed Salih Faratuman, Senior Chief Executive of Ministry of Industrial Development, SMEs and Cooperatives Industrial Division. Mr. Dimash Aryan, Deputy High Commissioner of India to Mauritius. Mr. Sunil Singh Barbras, Chairperson of the Academy of Design and Innovation. Ms. Tanika Shah, Director General of the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIT. Professor Dr. Sudha Vibra, Dean, Academics of the National Institute of Fashion Technology. Mrs. Amita Devi Pogba, Deputy Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Industrial Development, SMEs Cooperative, and board member of the Academy of Design and Innovation. Mrs. Bhavanti Hamtura, board member of the Academy of Design and Innovation. Professor Dr. Sanjeev Malak, Head International and Domestic Linkage, National Institute of Fashion and Technology. Dr. Vishaka Agarwal, Center Coordinator, Fashion Design Department and Coordinator International, Domestic Linkage of the National Institute of Fashion Technology. Representative of the National Institute of Fashion Technology, staff members of the Academy of Design and Innovation, members of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. Let me begin by welcoming you all to this ceremony for the virtual signature with the National Institute of Fashion Technology, India. Today is a special occasion as we will be achieving a major milestone, a ceremony long overdue in our endeavor in forging international partnership with a well-known institution, a groundbreaking partnership with the National Institute of Fashion Technology from India, an esteemed institution renowned for its deep expertise and rich cultural heritage. The Academy of Design and Innovation, as well as National Institute of Fashion Technology, have commonalities as we both strive for excellence in design education. Set up in 1986, NIT has been a pioneering institute of fashion education in India and has been a vanguard of professional human resource in the textile, fashion and apparel industry across the globe. Being the premier institute of design in Mauritius, the X-School of Design, and the Fashion Design Institute, now the Academy of Design Innovation, has trained students with some emerging and well-known entrepreneurs and academies in Mauritius and abroad. The Academy of Design and Innovation, its strategic plan is in line with the Sustainable Development Goal 2030. Focuses on Goal 4, quality education, Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities, and Goal 17, partnership to achieve the goal. Today is another agreement towards Goal 17, which is a key element whereby both institutes aim for excellence and strive towards a similar direction. The purpose of this collaboration is to foster international cooperation and exchanges in several key areas: student exchanges, faculty and staff exchanges, promotion of lectures, workshops, fashion shows, and exhibitions, sharing of information and academic publication, development of dual award and study abroad programs. Design Institute as ADI and NIF are very special, as they reflect the aesthetic as well as the glamour of things and products in the world. As Design Institute, we are entrusted towards transforming the design landscape all over our country. This collaboration is not just a basic agreement, it is a portal to a promising and expansive future for ADI. Through this partnership, the Academy of Design Innovation will greatly benefit from the rich cultural exchange and extensive expertise that NIF brings. Their profound knowledge in technology, combined with a deeply ingrained cultural tradition, will significantly reinforce our institutional capabilities and offer our stakeholders invaluable insights. We are geared towards achieving deliverables where culture and tradition will be a strong complement. With courses run under this agreement, we aim at improved components that will sustain the roots of people. As we have a long history with India, we will form our youngsters that will bring new trend in the different design field that reflect our origin by adding an Indo-Mauritian touch to develop unique Mauritian design. To be creative is a talent. To better the role of designers, we at ADI have to teach students how to enhance the experience of technical practices and train them as how to make products and services visually appealing and constantly innovate as well. To be competitive is not the only mode that actors in the different sectors work on. Enhancing our cooperative mode is also a must. Thus, such type of agreement with NIF is a key to develop ourselves and advocate for a strong design sector in Mauritius. Our collaboration with NIF covers critical areas crucial to our mutual goals of nurturing global learning environments. We are thrilled to promote joint initiatives such as lectures, workshops, and mostly global activities that will to showcase our presence around the world. Moreover, this partnership will enable a variable exchange of information and academic publication, thereby enriching our academic resources and broadening perspective within our academic community. This agreement establishes the necessary principles and procedures at an international level, ensuring that these exchanges are both visible and fruitful. NIF has witnessed and experienced many transitions, while the Academy of Design and Innovation, from a modest debut, has been able to demarcate itself in the field of fashion and textile in Mauritius, with its sole focus on design. We hope to have the physical presence of NIF through this collaboration with the Academy, where we will also explore other activities in the field of handicraft, such as leather products, jewelry, textile, which NIF has a very strong hold and strength in India. We wish to use the exchange of expertise and know-how, not only to train students, but also to work closely with SMEs and enable us in engaging with our local communities to reflect our tradition with a touch of modernity and innovation. We strongly believe in inclusive education, where education has no age, so that no one is left behind. So on this note, I wish to thank the Honourable Minister, staff of our parent ministry, the Indian High Commission, for those who doesn't PTA, Dr. Gupta, Director General of NIF, Professor Sanjeev, who has been accompanying us for the past 2 years now, Dr. Agarwal, who has supported and diligently worked towards making the signature of this agreement a reality today. Thank you, Professor. A special thank to you, the ADI staff, who are the backbone of this academy, for their continuous support and contribution to the academy. Thank you very much. Wishing a fruitful and successful collaboration. Thank you for your attention.
Director. I now have the pleasure to invite Professor Dr. Sanjeev Malad from the National Institute of Fashion Technology for his address.
everyone. This is Minister of Industrial Development, SMEs and Trade, Dr. Jana, Director ADI, faculties of ADI, staff, members of press, ladies and gentlemen. This event is a result of almost a year long discussion had with Dr. Jana. Had several interactions online, trying to understand how we can benefit from each other, trying to understand how what all NIFT can offer to ADI and what ADI can offer to NIFT. So we have arrived at this stage of signing an agreement with ADI, and NIFT is very excited to sign an agreement with ADI. Just to give a brief, Dr. Jana really has given a brief of NIFT, but just to emphasize on what she has already done. We have 19 campuses across India, working under Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. And we have courses in design, technology and management. We offer courses in undergraduate programs as well as postgraduate programs and PhDs. We have signed around 23 memorandum of understanding across the world, including the world's topmost institutes like Fashion Institute of Technology, New York, and all the leading institutes of Europe. So, wherein we have student exchanges in terms of short-term exchanges, which will last for 2 weeks to 3 weeks, and we have semester exchange programs, where the equal number of students are exchanged between the two institutes on a reciprocal basis. So the semester exchange will be for undergraduate programs as well as for other postgraduate programs. We have 6 undergraduate programs in mainly fashion design, textile design, knitwear design, leather design, fashion communication, and accessory design. So these are the design undergraduate courses. Like we have 1 course in fashion technology and 3 postgraduate programs: fashion management studies, fashion technology, and master of design. And in these 3 areas, we offer PhD programs. Usually, we have a very successfully running semester exchange programs with all the partner institutes of European countries. So equal number of students are exchanged between India, with India, as well as the partner institutes. And the students of the partner institutes are open to join any of the 19 campuses across India. So we have very well established, well infrastructured campuses. Close to 5,000 students are studying in all these 19 campuses, having campus placements. And we have already discussed that what all the areas that we are going to have exchanges between ADI and NIFT, and hoping to, once we sign the MOU, we are hoping to see more students in NIFT campuses. Along with the students exchanges for academic purposes, NIFT also, all the 19 campuses are surrounded by a very rich craft and craft clusters and the manufacturing facilities in India. So NIFT offers a very tailor-made and customized programs for the students of the partner institutes, what we call as NIFT India Immersive Experience, wherein the students are taken to most of the craft clusters and exposed to the industry, exposed to the manufacturing industries across the supply chain of the fashion and textile design. So hoping to see our students in NIFT, and we would like to send our students to your institute, and whatever that we are going to study will be exhibited in the communities. Thank you very much, and we will proceed with the next proceedings. Thank you.
Minister of Industrial Development, SMEs and Technologies.
Mr. Juman, Senior Chief Executive of Ministry, Mr. Vivash Aryan, Deputy High Commissioner of India Relations, Mr. Vargas, Chairperson of the Academy of Design and Innovation, Professor Dr. Sudha Indra, Dean's Academies of the National Institute of Fashion Technology, India, board members of the Academy of Design and Innovation, including Madam Purima and Madam Ramtopal, Dr. Mrs. Sabrina Ramsamy Rana, Director of the ADI, representatives of NIT, India Online, staff members of the Academy of Design and Innovation, members of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. I wish you a very good afternoon. Namaste. It is with immense pleasure and anticipation that I stand before you today to discuss a truly landmark development of the Academy of Design and Innovation. We are here to celebrate the initiation of a memorandum of agreement with the National Institute of Fashion Technology in India. This partnership represents a significant step forward in our commitment to fostering global education alliances. On one hand, the EDI is a powerhouse of creativity and innovation dedicated to promoting excellence in design education within the region. On the other hand, the NIT is the pioneering Institute of Fashion Education in India, a leading organization that provides professional human resource to the Indian textile and apparel industry. NIT offers state-of-the-art infrastructure and equipment, imparting both practical and theoretical knowledge to its students. This agreement is not just a formal arrangement, it is the blueprint for future collaborations. It defines the principles, policy guidelines, and procedures that EDI and NIT, driven by mutual interest in academic excellence and cultural exchange, wish to develop. The Memorandum of Agreement will encourage international cooperation and promote the exchange of students' skills and knowledge between the two institutions. The key areas of focus will include exchange of faculty members and staff, thus facilitating knowledge transfer and professional development, promotion of lectures, workshops, fashion shows and exhibitions to enrich the academic and professional experiences, exchange of information in academic publications, which will enhance research and academic resources, offer of dual award and study abroad courses. This memorandum of agreement will facilitate reciprocal exchange of students, ideally within the same academic year and for the same period of time. It also provides for the exchange of professors and visiting scholars for research, consulting, and short-term teaching. Moreover, this partnership will pioneer the development and offering of dual awards and study abroad courses that promise to enhance the education landscape of both institutions and will benefit the country at large. Such initiatives will provide our students and faculty with invaluable international exposure and learning opportunities, equipping them with the skill and insight needed in today's global marketplace. The benefits of this agreement extend beyond both campuses. They touch the very fabric of the Mauritian industry, positioning the Academy of Design and Innovation as a pivotal platform through which the Mauritian industry can engage with and benefit from global trends and innovations in design and fashion. This initiative not only sets a precedent for educational cooperation, but also acts as a catalyst for international exposure and benefits for Mauritius as a whole. With increased competition, the globalized market forces design education to seek new ways of thinking. Design education systems are now preparing students and innovation-based regime, encouraging them to develop new skills that will enable them to thrive in the labor market. The creative sector in Mauritius requires technical experts in the design field who are skilled and well-versed in contemporary technologies and techniques. As we move forward, let us embrace the opportunities this partnership offers. Let us work together to ensure that this cooperation blossoms into a fruitful exchange, one that brings forth new ideas, innovations, and a brighter future for the country and the people that we each serve. I just want to end my speech by stating that I think it was one of the first papers I brought to the cabinet, and today I'm very happy to witness the memorandum of understanding, because for me it's like Dirk Rishta now in aesthetic, beauty, design and innovation. So thank you for your support and your commitment to this exciting new chapter in the history of the Academy of Design and Innovation. Together we are charting a course towards an innovative and globally integrated future. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. I will kindly request you to proceed to the icon table for the official signature of the Memorandum of Agreement.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you for all the support and the initiative. I appreciate this.
Thank you, everyone.
Qui ça peut apporter pour Maurice?
Au fait, aujourd'hui, ça fait vraiment plaisir d'être témoin de sa MOE-là, sa signature-là, parce que c'est un échange d'expertise dans le domaine du design and innovation. Ça veut dire que nous avons une école qui fait design innovation, nous avons une jewelry, nous avons handicraft, nous avons art, nous avons fashion, nous avons tout ça là, et nous utilisons une exposure à l'international. Mais ça commence toujours par l'éducation et la formation. Là, avec le National Institute for Technology and Fashion de l'Inde, quand nous signer cet agreement-là, ça veut dire qu'il y a un échange parmi les étudiants, il y a un échange parmi les professeurs, il y a un échange dans le domaine recherche et développement, il y a un échange à tout niveau, pour comme ça nous sommes capables de créer un potentiel pour qu'ils soient capables de travailler dans l'industrie. L'industrie a une demande de personnes expérimentées avec des skills de pointe, une formation de pointe dans le domaine design, fashion et innovation. Alors c'est ça, sa signature-là aujourd'hui pour permettre nous de faire un produit mauricien, mais peut-être adapté à une touche indienne, mais seulement produit mauricien, créé mauricien.
Qui peut arriver, qui a une activité, qui peut avoir, qui a un programme d'échange, qui peut avoir?
Alors, NIF, c'est un grand institut en Inde qui est très reconnu pour son know-how, son partage de d'expertise qu'il fait à travers le monde. Et Maurice, c'est un petit pays, nous bien besoin cette expertise-là. Alors, premier, c'est que nous prenons des élèves qui peuvent aller là-bas, dans nos programmes de licence qui nous peut commencer l'année prochaine. Et aussi, les élèves pour venir là, pour faire un échange de partage et aussi, ils font partie de notre curriculum. Deuxième, c'est que nous, ban académique, nous, ban staff, pour capable aller, pour faire un workshop et faire une conférence ensemble. Et du fait que nous faisons chaque année un fashion show, nous utilisons, comme si dirait, dans sa présence, sa collaboration là, à travers le monde, quoi. Parce que NIF, il y a beaucoup de designers qui sont reconnus à travers le monde, qui sont formés. Et nous besoin ça l'appui là, ça support là. Et le gouvernement, que ce soit de l'Inde, que ce soit Maurice, et de nos grands supports là. Nous petits, mais il y en a beaucoup de créneaux qui nous expertise dedans, qui nous besoin être plus présents avec pays comme l'Inde, avec le support de l'Inde et l'Afrique. Alors, cette collaboration-là, il est initiée bien avant, un travail assidu de tous les deux partenaires qui nous travaillent, pour mettre un MOE qui est vraiment solide et qui nous peut faire une activité à long terme et aussi à terme courant, qui ne peut pas attendre trop longtemps. D'ici l'année prochaine, nous pouvons commencer à faire un échange avec les élèves et les staff. Et nous présence aussi en Inde, qui est très important, qui nous a des élèves indiens qui viennent ici, qui fait un programme, le Dual Award, ce qui veut dire que j'ai un degré, même une maîtrise, que tous les élèves de deux pays sont capables de venir présents. Nous pouvons grandir en tant qu'Academy of Design Innovation, nous besoin sa exposure, là, comme on dit, sa extension dans plusieurs pays, que ce soit l'Inde ou l'Afrique.
Et là, nous pouvons en termes de combien d'étudiants et d'académistes qui sont concernés par ça?
Alors, nous ne prenons pas beaucoup d'élèves parce que nous parlons envahir le marché avec des designers qui payent dans notre place. Alors, nous formons des designers qui peuvent faire le travail d'eux aussi, mais aussi pour supporter le secteur textile. NIF, c'est plus le fashion, l'accessoire, luxury products, et qu'il y a une demande excessive à Maurice, et que les personnes, les compagnies qui viennent vers nous, qui perdent des formateurs, des formations aussi dans cette industrie, et aussi à l'école. Nous avons à peu près dans le 20 élèves qui nous peuvent envoyer à l'extérieur. Et c'est le maximum qui nous prend dans ce créneau-là pour être capable d'être présent dans différents secteurs du textile et de la mode à Maurice, quoi.
Donc c'était une demande de l'industrie textile?
Oui, ça veut dire l'industrie textile, quand ils viennent vers nous, ils les connaissent, qui nous collaborateurs, qui est vraiment fort, qui donne l'appui aussi nous, en tant qu'une petite académie capable. Et l'académie était créée pour donner support le secteur textile, le secteur créatif en Argentine. Il y a le graphic design, interdécor, il y a tout, interdesign, architecture aussi. L'idée, c'était sa création-là. Et nous, elle école, l'académie élite, ce qui veut dire comme les Beaux-Arts, qui donne un support très fort à l'industrie de créativité. Alors, nous, les élèves, aujourd'hui, c'est des leaders dans le secteur de créativité, dans différents secteurs, et aussi nous poussons de l'avant le secteur de bijouterie aussi. Alors, cette collaboration-là, c'est un des parmi qui nous peut faire et qui peut amener un appui additionnel fort en deux pays, l'Inde et Maurice, et aussi avec deux institutions qui a assez dans close collaboration. Parce que la collaboration est là depuis plus que 6 ans, nous renouvelons. Okay. Nous avons déjà un partage virtuel et pendant le Covid aussi, nous avons un partage d'échange de knowledge et know-how dedans.